Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. It's pen art time, and today we're going to be drawing a very tough cookie. So let's get started. To draw this cute cookie, let's first start by drawing a big wobbly circle. So I'm going to start right here, and I'll just go around and just wobble my way around. And what's nice is you don't have to worry about it being perfect at all. It's a very homemade organic cookie. Okay, so about right here, the reason I started here is because I want to add some bite marks right here because he's so tough. He took a bite out of himself, right? And I'm just going to add 3 curves about right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and just finish up my wobbly circle. So nice big cookie. There, and connect. From there, we're going to go ahead and bring this tough cookie to life. So let's come about right here in this area, and I'm going to add a circle. And since I'm drawing big enough, I'll make them draw so cute eyes. But if you're drawing it home and it's pretty small, you can just put like 1 circle for a highlight. Okay, so I have my 2 circles in for eyes, and then I'll come in here and make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now I have my eyes, and let's come to the top right here. And I'll just add like a little, not a curve, I guess, maybe just a little bit more downwards because he's a little bit tougher, right? So about right here. Don't want to make him look mean, but he wants to be tough. So I had 2 little angle lines right there. And in between his eyes, I'm going to come right here and about in this area. Just the center, I'm just going to draw a soft curve, and then I'm going to draw another bigger curve. Right there, make it look like he's chewing something. Then from there, let's draw his arms. So I'll come to this side right here, and well, you know what, before I do that, I'm going to come right underneath his mouth, and I'll just draw a piece of cookie. So just like a little crumble, and then right in this area, I'm going to draw an oval and darken it up. So it looks like he's holding it, hopefully. So then about right there in this area, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve for his hand. There. He's so tough. He took a chunk of himself and ate it. Right? Okay, so then from there, we're going to come to the other side. It's extra silly, right? And we're going to come right here, and I'm going to draw a curve that goes up slightly. And then it's going to go bend. It's like he's flexing. It's going to bend. And then we're going to thicken this part right here for his hand. So hopefully that looks like he's flexing because he's really tough. And then for his legs, let's come to the bottom right here, about in this area. Go ahead and bend them a little bit, and then thicken the bottom. So same thing here. So about right here. Just try to center it and thicken it up. From there, I'm going to go ahead and add some chocolate chips. I'm just coming in here and randomly just add little pieces, and see, maybe you can put one out here, just wherever you like. We'll put one that kind of is like a heart shape, and towards the bottom. And let's see here, maybe one over here. And that is pretty much it. So I'm going to come in here and just thicken everything up. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this silly pun art turned out and I helped you draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.